the nth term of the sequence 3 over 2, comma 3, comma 7, comma 16, comma 35, comma 74, then down to infinity is question mark a 5.2 raised to power n minus 2 minus n, b 5.2 raised to power n minus 2 minus n plus 1 over 2, c 3.2 raised to power n minus 2, d 3 over 2 times n. Now, how do we get this? This question is a kind of proof, the nth term of a sequence. So let's know the one that is correct here. But already we know it is this A. Now, solution using substitution method. Anything we do here and we don't get back this sequence, that means we are wrong. So now, using substitution method, when n is equal to 1, let's start with when n is equal to 1. That is, we use 5.2 raised power 1 minus 2, then minus 1. Okay, let me use the normal formula minus n. So here is 5.2 raised to power n is 1 minus 2, then minus 1. So this is 5.2 plus 1 minus 2 will give us minus 1, then minus 1. So this is 5 times 1 over 2, this over 1, then minus 1. So we're going to have 5 over 2 minus 1 over 1. LCM is 2. This is 5 minus 2. And this will give us equal to 3 over 2. Do you observe that we've gotten this first one? Let's see. So we're going to solve. If everything using this first one now, option A, and we get everything here, that means this is correct. So now, when n equal to 2, because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll do it n to 6. We get. So when n equal to 2 is 5.2 raised power n minus 2 minus n. This is 5.2 raised power 2 minus 2 minus 2. 5.2 raised power 0 minus 2. This is 5 times anything raised to power 0 is 1 minus 2. This is 5 minus 2, and the answer is 3. We've gotten the second one. Did you get? Now, when n equal to 3, 5.2 raised power n minus 2, then minus n. This is 5.2 raised power 3 minus 2 minus 3. So this is 5.2 raised power 1 minus 3. So this is 5 times 2 minus 3. This is 10 minus 3. The answer is 7. We've gotten 7. Now, when n equal to 4, 5.2 raised power n minus 2 minus n. I will start solving straight because of our space. I've used the steps in when n equal to 2 and when n equal to 3. Do you get? So now, this is 5.2 4 minus 2 minus 4. Where do you know this is 5 times 2 raised power 2 minus 4. So this is 5 times 4 minus 4. This is 20 minus 4, and this is equal to 16, right? That is this one. Now, we have when n is equal to 5. When n is equal to 5, 5.2 n minus 2 minus n. This is 5.2 raised to power 5 minus 2 minus 5. This is 5.2 raised to power 3 minus 5. So this is 5 times 2 raised to power 3 is 8 minus 5. 5 times 8 will give us what? 40, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 40 minus 5. And 40 minus 5 will give us what? 35. That is this 35 here. Then, lastly, last but not the least, when n is equal to 6, that is 5.2 raised to power n minus 2 minus n. This is 5.2 raised to power 6 minus 2 minus 6. This is 5.2 raised to power 4. 5.2 raised to power 4 minus 6. This is 5 times 2 raised to power 4 minus 6. 5 times 16 minus 6. Because 2 raised to power 4 is 16. So 5 times 16 will give us what? Uh, 5 times 5 times 6, 30, 0, carry 3. 5 times 1, 5 plus that 3, 8, right? So this is 80 minus 6. And this will give us 74. Uh, do you observe that when n is equal to 1, we got 3 over 2 here. When n is equal to 2, we got 3, which is here. When n is equal to 3, we got 7. And when n is equal to 4, we got 16. When n is equal to 5, we got 35. And when n is equal to 6, we got 74. Therefore, the n term of the sequence is 5.2 raised to power n minus 2 minus n. Using this one, you can go get all these things. So the answer is A. The answer is A. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like I said before, a quick recap. This is a kind of a proof. This option, looking at your option now, the questionnaire wants to know among these four options, which one was used to get this nth term of this sequence. So A has proven that it was the right option used for this sequence. So see you in my next video.